I won a Lamborghini from MrBeast, but there is a secret that nobody knows.
I grabbed 50 random people and everyone take your right hand and put it on the Lamborghini. Whoever takes their hand off last gets the $300,000 car.
This is my dream become true. I'm in a MrBeast video.
Okay, I like that. What do you plan to do with the car when you win?
Drive it. Turek, you are dumb. They are trying to get us out with the water.
What happened?
Marco made a little mess here.
I told you guys I hate these guys.
49 of you remain. Raise your right hand if you want more pizza.
Jimmy, we are cleverer than that.
We're cleverer than that.
MrBeast knew how crazy I was. That's why he was paying close attention to me.
I'm watching you. Who wants a sleeping bag? Here you go. Sleeping bags. I did not mean to hit him in the nuts.
People got so tired that they started sleeping. But I thought sleeping was too dangerous.
This is the most unfair challenge in the world. Half of them are sleeping and half of us are struggling.
But slowly people started getting eliminated because of sleeping.
It's been 10 hours and 11 people are out. Yeah.
Let's double that.
What? Reed, get out.
More people got eliminated, so I had more space to move. And I found a golden spot that my hand couldn't move. But people were eager to see me fail because they understood I was a strong opponent. He's almost got his hand out. It's freaking insane. Oh, you look very tired, guys. Why you don't quit?
Says the guy who just woke up.
Good morning, everybody. 28 of you survived the night. How are you feeling?
Oh, the team here hate me? I don't know.
I hate him. He talks too much.
Oh, wow, really? I also got some shit on me. Here, you want some more?
Yeah, thank you.
You would spend the rest of your life here, right? This on the car, right?
If I need to.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard would you say this has been? For the next few hours, no one's allowed to sit. With time, this challenge is gonna get progressively harder and harder, so if you think it's hard, you should just go ahead and get out.
How much you gonna give us?
Right now, everyone's just getting out on their own, so I don't have to pay anyone.
Guys, this video is becoming a horror movie.
Oh my God, and my face is becoming a spray fountain.
I'm sorry. Well, remember this guy. He's part of the secret.
We'll see how it goes.
To go to the bathroom, we had to hold the car window wiper, so technically we were still touching the Lamborghini. But Chris had other plans.
This is the real pea stick. This is a fake pea stick. You're evil. Shut up.
Should I stop him? Hey Jimmy, it's interesting.
You tricked him.
This is a game of mental warfare as well as physical.
Oh. Goodbye, baby. MrBeast even gave a $30,000 car for someone to get out.
The winner of the brand new Camaro.
I can go home now! We are going to win $300,000 of car. You are a loser.
Get away from it. Stand on one leg for a minute. That was me. We're gonna train him to be nice.
14 people left. Watching all these people get eliminated, I started to feel more confident that I will win until this very moment.
We were coming here to talk about fits, but then we noticed something about fidias.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And that is that he is very handsome. Now back to fits.
Oh my God!
You got caught in 4K. Yeah. Morning, everybody. Sorry to wake you all up, but 2 of you literally just got out. Did you see anything?
It's not me.
Tomorrow's gonna be a very big day for all of you. And I'm gonna need you guys to get at least a little bit of sleep. So I'm gonna allow you to duct tape your hand to the car for the night so you can get some sleep.
So they put us to tie our hands on the wheel. So I'm going to sleep so I get some rest for tomorrow. If you wake me up, I will kill you.
I'm trying to sleep. Want to zip it up?
I wanted to let all the contestants fully fall asleep, so me and my team didn't interact with them for hours. And just like I thought what would happen, half of them got out.
All right, everybody, wake up, wake up, wake up. Armageddon has happened. Fidias, how many people do you think got out?
1?
More.
Oh, 5.
Half of you are literally out. All right. Danny, aka the loudmouth. As you can see, both your hands are clearly
Yes,
up.
finally you are out.
He is out.
I was asleep, I didn't even know.
One final person has gotten out.
Hopefully it's not me.
It's this side of the car. One of you three. Bring up the footage. This is literally about to freak them out. All right.
My girlfriend took her hand off.
This is what it looked like when we started, and this is what it looks like now.
Everyone was pushing me in the beginning. Now I have the whole side for myself.
Agreed.
Oh my god!
And now that everyone is standing, I'm gonna hook up some cables.
They're making us move.
And now the car is hooked up to cables.
So I put my finger inside this hole so I make sure I don't get out. What do you think about that, Nolan? Did you ever do that? Put your finger in a hole?
The hard part is about to begin. Are you ready?
Yes!
The Lamborghini is now being raised.
While MrBeast is raising the Lamborghini, I'm going to tell you about the YouTube University. I moved to the United States without knowing English, and I managed to grow my channel from 10,000 subscribers to 500,000 subscribers in 1 year. MrBeast, stop raising the Lamborghini! This YouTube information changed my life. That's why I created this course to share it with you guys. This course will teach you how to package a video, how to film a video, how to edit a video, and how to learn and adjust from the analytics.
Fidias, hire or keep it where it is?
Every month, I'm going to be interviewing the biggest creators on the platform, and I will be asking them their secrets. How did they grow on YouTube? This is super important. This is how I learned about YouTube.
Is that good?
Extra things that you get by owning the NFT is you are actually a part of a community of other creators. You get a unique photo with my face, which is kind of funny. You are going to get access to my future NFT project. And the last thing, some of you that own the NFTs, I will choose you to participate in my videos. If you are serious about YouTube, it will be stupid not to buy the course. There is only 5,000 NFTs. Go on the top link on the description to the website and mint your NFTs now.
What's your strategy?
So I want to get as much rest as possible because I have a funny feeling this will get more difficult.
I think if I win this Lamborghini, me and Fidias, we're going to Las Vegas. We're gonna drive it up and down. We're gonna go to a couple strip clubs, throw some ones. What else? Oh,
I like this guy.
Right then and there, my secret was starting to develop. I became really close friend with this guy, and without MrBeast or anyone else knowing, we secretly decided that if we are the last two, we will split the money and I will win.
The average reach of these 5 contestants is 6 feet 8 inches in the air, which means we can race this car another 3 feet.
Now I cannot go in the other side of the car.
High five.
I think that's a good one.
One of these days. Hey, you want a tape measure? It's gonna work.
Oh my god.
How are you feeling right now?
Lonely. Fidias, he ran a half marathon barefoot in the snow. He's willing to do that. I think he's willing to stay here for as long as possible.
I think I got the best spot on the car.
Oh my god! 4 people left.
It's been 10 hours since someone got out, so I think it's time we make it a little harder.
No, offer money to someone to come out.
$10,000 if you get out. All right, that didn't work. Everyone pick one finger, whatever finger you want.
Oh.
In case you are wondering, a thumb is a finger.
I was wondering about that. This
The
one.
pointer finger, okay. So if that finger comes off, you lose. Good luck. Okay.
Don't touch me.
Oh my God!
Jimmy, we made it final 3!
And I wouldn't get too excited. This person and this person stand between you and a brand new Lamborghini.
And after 10 minutes,
Hey, Jimmy!
the girl was eliminated. To my surprise, the person that I agreed to split the money with, without MrBeast knowing, actually made it to the top 2.
You made the final 2.
Boom.
Imagine if that's how he won.
Oh my god, this is crazy! 50 people comes down to 2 people, it's me and you.
Oh my gosh. I'm just kidding. Did your heart drop? Did your heart drop? Yeah.
It was time for me and Noah to start acting like we are competing. We've been here for 70 hours straight. Take your shaky hand off my Lamborghini now.
All his fingers are crammed up. That's why my fingers are, I guess my whole arm is shaking. I love you, man. I don't know. It hurts so bad.
The second that finger comes off,
So bad.
I love how Fidias is just like, not
He's
even
in no pain.
I know.
And I'm dying.
Just take it off!
Ah!
Oh my God.
No!
Why am I getting scared?
I'm gonna do it. No, I'm not. Ah! It's coming off. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh! Okay, there. You should be happy. I hope these are tears of
We
joy.
immediately sold the Lamborghini and Noah went to travel the world with his girlfriend and I used the money to make videos. MrBeast, I hope you didn't hate me now that you found out that we were acting in the end with Noah.